Hello friends, welcome to Vedam mathematics classes. In this video, I will explain you quadratic equation of class 10th. Correct? Now, first of all, we'll understand what quadratic means. Quadratic in mathematics, quadratic means two. Two what? Where we have any expression whose highest power is 2. That means if I write suppose an equation 2x square plus 3x plus 4, it's an expression where the highest degree or highest power is same thing. Highest power or degree is 2. That means highest power means, see, this is first term, this is second term, and this is third term. In the first term, we have the power as 2, the power of variable x as 2. In the second term, we have the power of variable x as 1. And in the third term, we have variable x with power as 0. Why? We know x raised to the power is 0. X raised to the power 0 is 1. And if I write 4, 4 can be written as 4 multiplied by 1. That means 4 multiplied by x raised to the power 0. So what we say, if it's a constant term, then we can say the power of the variable is 0. Or I can say that this is a constant term. Correct? So this is an expression, and as if we see the highest power of the variable, in the expression is 2. So it is quadratic, means any polynomial, any expression having the highest power, high degree as 2 will always be a quadratic equation. Suppose if I write like x square minus 3x. Here also, since there are two terms and one term is having the degree as 2 and the another term is having the degree as 1. So the highest power is 2. Therefore, we say that it is also a quadratic equation. It's a quadratic polynomial. But when I apply equal to sign and 0 or something else, some constant term, then we say that yes, it's a quadratic equation. Why? Because I have applied an equation. Equation simply means LHS is equal to RHS. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Then we say that the equation is getting applied. So we say that it's a quadratic equation. So hopefully you understood the concept. So the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus 4. Now, where ax square is my first term, this is my second term, and this is my third term. And you know, there is one restriction that to solve any sort of, like if I apply a middle term splitting, then I need the first term to be of power 2. Then only I can apply the middle term. Means it's a restriction. You have to follow it. That in the first term, the power of the variable should be 2. Then it will reduce by 1. Then it will reduce by 1. Then it becomes, then it will be in the last term, that is constant term, that is third term, will having the power of variable x as 0, which means, as if I have explained you, x raised to the power is 0 is 1. So this is the standard form of quadratic equation, where my a is known as coefficient of x square, b is known as coefficient of x, and c is my constant term. These are very important points which you have to take care of, as if we are going to use it in future for solving the questions of quadratic equation. Correct? Hopefully you understood the standard form of the quadratic equation. Now let us just see some equations and check whether they are quadratic equation or not. Suppose if I take, this is an example to of NCRT, page number, just check it, there is an example 2. Okay. Now, the first example 2, first part says x minus 2 raised to the power 2 plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. So, here what you have to do is, you have to solve the equation as if we can't see the straightforward format like ax square plus bx plus c. That simply means we have to convert this equation into this form. Then only I can say, if it get converted, then we say that yes, it's a quadratic equation, otherwise we can't say. Equation why? Because there is an equal to sign. Now a minus b raised to the power 2, hopefully since you are in 10th standard, so you must be aware of the formula. Okay, so it become x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. X square minus 4x plus 5 is equal to 2x minus 3. So it become x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 0. X square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. This is the equation, and we say that yes, and we can see that it is in the form a x square plus b x plus c. See, one thing you have to check, you have to see, most of the students says that you are writing plus over here. It can also be negative. It can also be there can also be a negative sign. Okay, there is no restriction. So we say that yes, it is a quadratic equation. Correct. Now let me just do the second part of this exercise, of this example. X plus 1 plus 8 is equal to x plus 2 x minus 2. So how will you solve it? Again we have to apply, this is the distributive law. In this we have to apply the distributive law. X square plus x, this is going to multiply by this is going to multiply by this, plus 8 is equal to, this is a plus b, a minus b. Again this is the 8th standard formula which all of you know, a square minus b square. So it become x square minus 4 by 2 raised to the power 2, that is equal to x square minus 4. X square plus x plus 8. So x square get cancelled. So my answer is x plus 8 plus 4, that is equal to 0. So answer is x plus 12 is equal to 0. Is there any variable having the power 2 in this equation? No. So it is not a quadratic equation. So what sort of equation it is? It is a linear equation. Why? Because the variable power is the highest degree of the power. Linear equation, linear means 1. Means the degree is of the variable should be 1. Degree means highest power. Correct? So it is not a, so this equation is not a quadratic equation. So the given equation is not a quadratic equation. Correct? Now the third part. X 2x plus 3 is equal to x square plus 1. So it becomes 2x square plus 3x is equal to x square plus 1. 2x square plus 3x minus x square minus 1 is equal to 0. So it become x square, we will solve these two because they are like terms, plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. So it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to an equation. It's equal to 0, sorry. So it's an equation. So the given equation is quadratic equation. Correct? Now the fourth part, the last part of this example. X plus 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to x raised to the power 3 minus 4. You can't judge a complex equation without solving. So you have to solve them. Now you know the formula, a plus b raised to the power 3 is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. Correct? So the formula is x raised to the power 3 plus 2 raised to the power 3 plus 3 times x times 2 multiply by x plus 2 is equal to x raised to the power 3 minus 4. So x raised to the power 3 plus 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. 3 to the 6x plus x into x plus 2 is equal to x cube minus 4. So it become x cube plus 8 plus 6x square plus 12x is equal to x cube minus 4. X cube से x cube cancel हो गया. We are left with 6x square plus 12x plus 8 plus 4 is equal to 0. 6x square plus 12x plus 12 is equal to 0. So it is again of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So which implies the given equation is a quadratic equation. Hopefully you understood the concept, how to find. Now now there is a homework for you. Exercise 4.1, question number 1. Solve it and just comment in the comment box, and I will, if there is any doubt, I will make a video for it. Okay? Thank you so much for watching my videos. Do like my videos, do hit the like button, do share it.